Hey guys, Brandy here, and I just got this vacuum, and so I want to unbox it with you so we can look and see what comes with it. So this is the cordless stick vacuum, and it's supposed to be really great for pets. And let's see. So here's a little instruction manual. You got your stick, some additional pieces. Here is your vacuum head, some more attachment, the actual operating part of the vacuum, your charging base. Okay, I love the color. I think it is just gorgeous. It just locks right into place, guys. This is so easy to use. Look at how easy that was. Oh, she's put together.